Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Nothing automotive today. Froggy has to be in the mood for certain things when I want to do like certain jobs or tasks, and for some reason today I got in the mood for trimming my palms. The reason I trim my palms is I've got 4 big ones in the front and a couple of smaller ones in the back. These are queen palms. Queen palms are not self-cleaning palms. So if you're putting in palm trees, I would suggest king palms. King palms, the palm fronds fall off very nicely by themselves. Those little ones are Robolinis too. Robolinis are pretty nice, but they have nasty spikes on them. So anyway, back to my job here. I wanted to show you, and as always, as it says in my disclaimer, do this at your own risk. But here's what I decided to do. Instead of paying like $50 a palm, which would be $200 just for the front yard, not counting the back. And I've done that, but I got to thinking I could do this myself. I've got the time and I like buying tools. So anyway, that yellow pole, that's 2 sections. That's a professional tree trimmer tool. Got a very sharp curved blade at the end. Let's see. There you go. And who makes that? Let me see. Yeah, that's a Jameson tool. And the other one I've got, which is about 2 feet smaller, I guess, 2 feet shorter, is a Fiskars. And that's this one, and that's a telescoping one, which was like really fine until these palms got to be the size that they are. I would say, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, probably 60 foot, the tallest one, which is that one right there. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that one yet. But anyway, here's the way I do it. Real simple. I've got an extension ladder, aluminum, so it's pretty easy to handle. And I've got some tie-down straps, you know, the ratchet kind of straps. So I decided to put the ladder up as high as it would go. Always want to keep it on like a, I don't know what the degrees of the angle is, but don't put it too close to the tree. Kick the bottom out. And I decided to strap in the top. If I strap in the top, I just feel like I can have a lot more security and feel more confident about moving around when I'm up there. And I go to the last double step. See how some of the steps are double steps where the extension overlaps. So I go to the highest double step, and then I use the pole for the rest. And I'm gonna have to probably move the ladder around to get to that last one on this tree, which is gonna be an issue because now this one's on a level ground. This one's gonna be, you know, the slope of my driveway, so I'm gonna have to figure something out there. But that's what I do. I strap the top in real tight, and then go at it with my pole. Now I could get one more extension on this pole. The thing is, those are fiberglass and they're heavy. And when you get that and you're holding it out, like I think they're 8-foot extensions, so you're holding out 16 feet of it, it's pretty hard to control the other end of it. As long as you've got it pretty much straight up and down, you can do it, but once it starts to tilt, it's a lot of weight on the end. But I got 2 down so far. There's one in the barrel, and one more that just came down over there. And I'll get that one. I'll get 1, 2. That one should be easier. It's lower. I'll get these 2 palms cleaned up, and then I'm probably going to be ready to take a break. But I've got kind of a system figured out, and I thought I'd share it with you guys and gals. Not automotive. Be safe, have fun, and I love things where you can do it yourself and save yourself a few bucks, because we all work hard for our money, right? So you can spend some money on a tool and do a job yourself. To me, that makes sense, because then you own the tool for the rest of your life. So, see you later. Froggy out. Oh, subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and give me a thumbs up if this helps you out. See ya. Bye. Okay, I'm back. I gotta shoot this over again. I hit the wrong button. So I was just saying about how tall that one is there. So there's 4 of them in front. Cost me like $200 every time the guys come and trim them, which could be 2 or 3 times a year if you want to get the brown ones down. And so today I figured out, I got my ladder out and put a new rope on it so I can extend it, and figured out how to strap the top in. Well, I knew how to strap the top in, but I just never bothered getting right to it. So on I go. I got 2 more cuts to do, 2 or 3 more cuts to do. Looks like I just saw another one up there. And then that's going to be it. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And be safe. Take care. Froggy out. Bye-bye.